What's up, YouTube? It's Sierra, the chosen one, and I'm back. I wanted to, since my last video didn't save because the computer cut off because it went dead on me. I wanted to pull some Kipper. I want to pull some Kipper and see what their karma is. What's gonna be their karma for putting their hands on my truck? Yeah. Need my medicine and my needles. The thug life. The hospital. But Boosie Boo don't want to hear hard head. What they gonna say next? But I don't drive by, I walk to them. Message? What the man? What's that karma for? What's that karma for messing with my truck? They gonna get a message of concern. And then they gonna be concerned. And it, put them in the bad health. Cause they ain't think I knew. I pay attention to my car. I just got a car. You think I'm gonna buy it with it scratched up and everything? No. Adjudication. I exposed this in front of the judge. Yes, I did. Anything else I need to know about what's gonna be their karma? For scratching my truck up. I guess that's all my angels want to say. What is that karma? I guess they don't want to tell them what their karma gonna be. His thoughts about this woman, me, and him being a thief. Anything else? Anything else? About what is that karma? Okay, I'm gonna start right here because, like, at the end of the day, like I said, the karma was the message of concern and bad health, but his thoughts is about lovers, about we will never be lovers again. Like, I can't make this shit up. Like, we will never be that again. And how he will want to put in toil and labor for this lover. I don't want it. Privileged lady. He want to be me. He want to be this privileged lady, main male. Them days are over. They are over. Anything else? Anything else? Please and thank you. Anything else? Anything else? Kipper, is there a card? Let me see if there was a card. Anything else I should know about? Them trying to run my truck. Trying, yeah. So something about a mature man. Maybe that's that judge too. But probably at the bottom of the deck. So I might just get some tarot to clarify this message of concern. Oh, mature man, great fortune. On my journey? Courthouse. Journey at the bottom still. Let me see if anything got. I'm gonna clarify. Main female. Okay, so now I'm gonna do some clarifying this stuff because it's all got me all discombobulated. I'm gonna clarify message of the sign. Please clarify message of concern, please, and thank you. Please clarify message of concern, please, and thank you. I'm gonna get the other Kipper. Please clarify message of concern, please, and thank you. That was a lot. Coffin. Put a nail in that mother freaker. Yeah, main male. Put the coffin in that mud. And I'm at a distance. Wealthy man. Change. Journey. Yeah, this wealthy man didn't change on y'all. Oh, I could be the wealthy man. It's all energy. So, yeah. The coffin. Oh, I told you it's all about court. We wasn't just on, we had a Zoom call the other day about court. Yeah. And he found out that I nailed this coffin shut. Yeah, he was the main male, but not no more. In the distant horizon, I became the wealthy man, and he felt I changed on my journey. That's what he felt. Let's get some on this bad health. Clarify bad health, please, and thank you. I should have got my other Kippers to clarify. Bad health, please. And thank you. Clarify bad health, please, and thank you. Dang, that's up now. Oh, so his expectation was for me to be in bad health about my truck. He expected me to be concerned and in bad health. That was his expectation, which he was wrong. Clarify thoughts, please. Got my nigga Thugger with me? Get the fuck out of my face. Look. His thoughts, he's concerned. His thoughts is concerned. Official person. He concerned about what that official person gonna say about what I said in court. Yeah, don't be concerned you did it, right? Lovers. High honor. He mad because he ain't high honor in my life no more. Dealing with the community. Clarify this privileged lady, please, and thank you. I can't make this shit up. Pathway, privileged lady pathway. Unexpected income at the bottom of the day. He's a money hungry person. Yeah. Clarify mature man, please, and thank you. Whoa, shit. I wonder if all that poster came out. Mature man, poverty, courtship, child, unexpected income, occupation, mature woman, message. He's in his mind, in his thoughts, or he literally going to prison about a marriage, a false marriage, and being a false person. Yep, let's do them. This mature man is in poverty. Or was that his expectations for me? Courtship. That courtship and this false marriage that keep coming up in my cards. Something about a child. Let's see what girls say. Oh, child. Oh, he feel the child getting unexpected income. What, for child support? Are you serious? Family room at the bottom of the deck. Can't make this shit up. Occupation. Unexpected income, occupation, mature woman. So he worried about me getting child support, obviously. Child, unexpected income, occupation, mature woman. He got a message. What that message said. Whatever message he got, it put him in his head, or he know he going to jail. This false marriage that this false person put me in. Now I know he ain't concerned about the family room. Let's clarify great fortune. I'm gonna need to get that. I'm trying to just use this deck, but I got another. Clarify great fortune, please, and thank you. Clarify great fortune, please, and thank you. I'm gonna get the other deck because that is so slim. I could barely. What you call this? Let's see what that was. Great fortune, adjudication. And he's in despair. I can't make this shit up. Okay. So, he feel like I got great fortune because of the adjudication situation. And they put him in despair. Okay. Clarify courthouse, please. Clarify courthouse, please, and thank you. Little thin card. Oh, I'm gonna get the other day. Clarify courthouse, please. What? Clarify courthouse is gift and family room. And despair at the bottom of the deck. This motherfucker is in despair about this shit. Clarify main female, please. And thank you. Clarify main female, please, and thank you. Clarify main females. Main female, please, and thank you. Clarify main female, please, and thank you. Clarify this main female, please, and thank you. Official person. Toil and labor. So, let me see if I can get some adjudication at the bottom of this deck. It's another Kipper deck I have. Okay. So, please clarify great fortune and adjudication. Oh, he's scared of the great fortune and adjudication that I'm going to have in the distant horizon. He feel like that's my occupation or something. I don't know. Let's clarify courthouse, family room, and gift. Well, I ain't got to work hard no more. Toil and labor in reverse because of courthouse, family room, and gift. That's what his feelings is. He feel like I got unexpected income. I can't make this shit up. Clarify main female and official person, please, and thank you. Oh, I'm not his main female no more. Main female in reverse clarify. Main female. Look, an official person. Listen. Occupation. Listen, I can't make this shit up. I clarified. Main female. Main female came out in reverse. I clarified official person. Official person came out. So don't matter what, because I'm not his main female no more. He still considered me as the main female and the official person. Wow. Okay.